Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, I'm Durga Prasad. In this channel, I'm going to share my achievements, what I have achieved, what I'm going to achieve. So in this process, I brought a new video about Veed.io. It is an artificial intelligence which is used to edit your video. If you are trying to give a presentation, seminar, or any project, you can edit this video. If you don't want to add your audio, you can just text it and it will change into audio. You can edit the audio also. So in this video I'm going to show how to use the Veed.io completely. So watch till the end. So first of all, search for Veed.io in Google Chrome. So this is the interface of Veed.io. So now here is a button, create project. Click on that. So close this file, and if you see this interface on the left side, if you are seeing in your laptop, on the left side there are few icons. So click on media. Here you can upload your media or record. So first of all, upload a file. So if you don't have any footages or videos, you can go to pixels. So this is the pixels where you can find all the footages, videos, and everything here. So I took the robot topic. So I just downloaded this video and a few other videos. So just I'm clicking this. So it is added in our project, and I am going to upload one. So I am going to upload one more video. So it is added. So now you go to open the chat GPT 3 and search for any title, such as I searched for write a content how robots are used in manufacturing. So I'm just copying this content and going back to Veed.io, and here you need to go for audio. Here is the audio. Click on that audio, and here there are some files, voiceover, and some other options. Go to text to speech. So here you can change the text into your audio. First the option is the languages, so you can change the language. So here are languages. If you search for English, so there are many languages. Now I am selecting English US, and there are some voices which you can test.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
So there are still many more audios through which you can select, and now I am selecting this first one, and here on the text just you need to paste whatever you want to be said in this video. So I'm just pasting it. So just I'm going to preview this.
Robots have been used in manufacturing for several.
Okay, now I want to add this to my project. So this is a very lengthy
Robots have been used in manufacturing for several decades to improve efficiency, reduce labor. Robots have become increasingly popular in households for various tasks, including grooming. These robots, known as domestic robots, are designed to help with benefits of using robots and other household chores is their ability to provide precision and accuracy. For example, a room and clean it thoroughly without missing any spots. Similarly, robotic mops can clean floors with precision and avoid obstacles such as furniture or rugs.
So, and also you can add the subtitles for your videos by clicking the subtitles. I have created
Used in manufacturing for several decades to improve efficiency, reduce labor. Robots have been
so in this way you can even add the subtitles and change the translations styles and other things. So go check around it. And this is all the video about how to do. You can see the way of editing. You can take the footages from the pixels, take the information from the OpenAI, and you can create even a complete video without your front cameras. So you saw that how this artificial intelligence tool can change the text into audio and create your video. So if you find this video informative, please make sure you like this video and share to everyone so that I'll reach to everyone and this information goes to everyone. And also make sure you change the color of subscribe button so that I'll get encouragement to do such videos. And also click the bell icon so that you will not miss my latest videos. Thank you.